it is great for you to join me on my YouTube show. This is Sister Sue coming to you. That's Sister Sue on Twitter, SISTER_SU. That's not FU, it's S as in Sam. Don't be going all crazy there. Anyway, I decided I would try and play around here on Anchor by Spotify and set up a little podcast show. So here we go. I've set up my podcast. Apparently, they're sending it out for me. I have a couple of episodes in the can, if that's the right way you want to refer to that. Now, I had one I did the other day just to introduce myself. This is a draft, can't be heard by anybody but me. Let's see. I'm going to click on the pencil here. I'm going to give this a try again. Publish now. Holy cow, nothing happens when I hit publish now. Maybe I don't have words in there? Episode description, mandatory, but it doesn't say you have to have a certain number of words or a certain number of characters. You can have up to 4,000 characters in there. I just put a low. Customize the episode. You can upload up your art. I'm from Canada, so I'll put that there. It's clean. So anyway, there's Google Play. Click that. Let's see. I wonder if they've got my there. You can go on Google Play to find this Anchor. There's the Google Play Store. Maybe I need to install it. Maybe that's what I had to do. Holy cow. Maybe that's why it won't work. I've got to install this thing. Make your own podcast. Oh, no eligible devices for app install. So, you can't install it from the Google Store unless you're doing it on mobile. So, if you're on mobile, hey, you can make a podcast like me. And I'll be happy to follow you if you send me a message on Twitter there. I can somehow find you. Let's go back. Let's close that up. And there's the Apple App Store. There's the Apple Store. You can install that on your iPhone or your iPad. And you can record anywhere, anytime. Add full tracks from Spotify background music or sounds. Split and trim in audio, build, edit, and manage your episodes. Pretty cool. All that stuff you can do from your phone there. What's new? The Anchor brand is a new look and feel. There's no change to the experience, but we can't wait for you to see our visual updates. So, if you are if you've seen it before, you might, not for me. You might like it now. App privacy. The data that's linked to you. Location. Privacy practices may vary, for example, based on the features you use or your age. Now that's interesting. So app privacy. So maybe if I put in a really young age, they wouldn't track my location. What's the location thing? That's something that concerns me is people being able to know your location. The only person who should know your location is your family. Nobody else's business. If your family chooses to share that, then that's okay. But you got to be very careful about people being able to find out where you are. We'll find out that another day. They're on Facebook apparently. Let's take a look at that. I'm going to give them a like. Let me do this for free. Oh, good. I can message them there. I'm having a bit of a problem getting my thing out since I gave them a shout there. Okay, we'll follow them there too. And they're following 5 people. This is one thing, if you know there's a valid account, you can it's safe to follow some of those people there. They've got a couple of real people there. These are the guys who are running this thing. You wonder who the heck's behind this. There's Nir Zischerman and that Michael Mignano. He's an entrepreneur, an angel investor. I could use an angel. A drummer and a designer. He's following 885 people. Hey, that's kind of nice. He follows quite a few. So you might want to follow those guys too. I don't know if I'm going to follow all those business ones, but we'll do it for now. Might get some good tips on there. So I'm going to come back, close that down, and they're on Instagram too. We'll follow through. Going on a little tour. Won't you let me take you on a social media cruise? Wooey. There I am on Instagram. There I am. I'm everybody's. I always, for a long time, I said, yeah, I'm everybody's Instagram. Sometimes I'm a telegram. Sometimes I'm a candygram. Sometimes everybody wants to think I'm a moneygram. But honey, I got no money. But as Peter said, silver and gold have I none, but such as I have, I give you. I've got a few minutes to share with you, and I'm happy to do that too. So yeah, holy cow, publish now. It will not publish for me. You know how to get this thing to go? Let me know. There's the dashboard. Here we are. There's a Facebook logo and a Twitter logo. Wonder if I can connect my Twitter there. What's that do? Oh, look. That just tweeted that out there. Listen to Sister Sue welcomes you on Anchor. I'm going to tweet that. Let's try at Anchor. There it is there. Created by Anchor. What's that guy? No, that's not him. Anchor. It's not there. These are verified accounts. So I guess these are people with, we'll leave that out. Or we'll just send that. Send that. That's kind of cute with a little anchor there, isn't it? So that's that kind of a shout out that people can give to you. And let's take a look here. You can see there's me on the Twitter there. Look at my hair. Oh man, I look like a skunk. Okay, that's the one I got pinned. That's a tweet there that I got pinned there at the top. Leave that. Slide down there. I'm gonna pin that up to the top. I'm just gonna click there. We'll pin that to the top. Just for a change. Change it around there. That didn't get much. Nobody retweeted that or anything. Maybe they'll retweet that one I put up there. Okay, let's go back. Enough chat. What happens when we hit it on Facebook? Let's take a look. There I am on Facebook with my cup of coffee or tea there. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to put it up there because nobody can listen to me yet on that thing anyway. I'm going kind of crazy trying to get this to work. So you can, oh, by the way, you can send me a message on here. Let's see if this works here. Nice try. You can't send yourself a voice message. Okay, thanks. I'd like to be able to try that out. So, hey, somebody go on there and send me a message, so I can see if this thing works. They should be able to, they should be able to let you trust it out at least and know what works. Okay, there's a Twitter there. What's that do? Oh, that just brings people to me. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that connected my Twitter. I may connect some more of my things there. So anyway, there's back to the dashboard. So we pretty much explored everything here. Yeah, it's copy. I can copy the URL or I can embed it in a blog. That's cool too. What happens next? So I've got 2 bars filled in. Make your first episode. Your podcast is all set up. We're distributing your podcast. Learn about monetization. Enable monthly donations from your listeners or get matched with brands who want to sponsor your show. Hey, who wants to sponsor me? Let's go. Yeah. Whoa, there's a whole lot to read there. I think I'll let you go through that on your own. Look at this. Anchor monetization availability, US-based podcasters only. So if you're in the USA, this is a pretty crazy, amazing thing you can do. Click there. A lot of you are in the US. We'll take a look at this here. And here it says, well, we would love to be able to offer all our creators the opportunity to monetize their podcast on Anchor. Unfortunately, it's not available to all our users right now. Monetizing on Anchor is currently only available for US-based podcasters. We do hope to expand globally, so stay tuned for updates. In the meantime, you can request Anchor sponsorship for your country here. You can request listener support for your country here. Was this useful? Yeah, I guess so. I'm going to give her a thumbs up. There we go. Okay, articles in this section is Anchor sponsorship overview. Maybe they won't let me show this to you because I'm not in the USA. Here it is. This allows you to earn money from your podcast with no minimum audience size. All ads are read by you. You decide when and where to include them in your show. So that's pretty cool. If you're in the USA, I would say do this right away. Do it today. And it gives you the details there. Pretty cool. Maybe you don't care, but this is a pretty cool thing. Costs nothing at all to set up your Anchor FM podcast. So if you need a little bit of money, honey, you got some time, give her a try. Okay. I'm still supposed to do this monetizing my podcast thing. What can I do? Requesting a refund or canceling your support subscription. I'll leave that there. Help with sponsored ads. Click there. No, I think which of my recorded ads. Well, this is all about if you're in the USA. We'll talk about that some other day. Anyway, appreciate your prayers. Get listeners. That's all that's left to do. Tell people about your podcast. I got supposed to set up this monetization here. Oh, it says it's optional. So how do I get these to go along? I don't know. Let's end here with the song. Expect a miracle every day. Expect it when you pray. Expect a miracle when you pray. Yes, miracles happen when you pray. They happen every single day. God knows everything you think, everything you do, everything you say. You may not think you pray, but a wish is a prayer your heart makes, and He's listening to you. Why not give it a try? It doesn't cost you anything. Greatest freebie you'll ever find. Have a great day. God loves you, and so do I.